Okay. Class 10, we have many dams and how you will learn it. It's not that कि इतने सारे dams हैं. The main is when you are going to give a test of 80 marks, when you are going to give your board exams, there you have to remember which place, to which state does the river or the dam belong, right? तो जैसे मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया, इवन इन द हिस्ट्री ऑल्सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट फर्स्ट लर्न द स्टेट्स. इफ यू आर थरो विद द स्टेट्स you would be able to identify the dams easily. And always start in a sequence. That would help you out to learn it in a better manner. For example, right now don't do anything, just hear carefully. This is our map, and on the map we have Jammu Kashmir, then Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, then Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. These are the main states which you need to remember for this chapter. Like in history, I told you what were the chapters, what were the states which you should remember. Here. Now, as you know, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh has been divided into two. आपको ये वाला जो portion है, this you have to remember. तो 1, 2, Punjab 3, Uttarakhand 4, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Remember it is in this manner. ऊपर से ऐसे start करिए. Take it towards Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, then come this way. If you are remembering in this way, the sequence will be there. So first, you need to understand what are the states, right? Now let us move to the map question. As per your syllabus, you have Salal, which is very common in the schools. Bhakra Nangal, the oldest one. Tehri, the tallest, or which is having the maximum height. Then Rana Pratap, Sardar Sarovar, Koina, Tungabhadra, Nagarjuna. You should remember these 10. We have Damodar also, we have Rihand also, but as per syllabus we have these 10. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे छोटे डैम्स भी हैं basically, but you have to remember all these. Salal, Bhakra Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap, Sardar Sarovar. These all are on the northern upper side. Then Koina, Tungabhadra, Nagarjuna Sagar, Metur, and Hirakud. That would be in the peninsular region, right? Bhakra Nangal will be marked on the border of Punjab as well as Himachal Pradesh. In some schools, for Bhagirathi, they also use Ganges. Ganga bhi bolte hain. In some of the schools, instead of Bhagirathi, they have marked the river as Ganga. The actual is Bhagirathi, but Bhagirathi it's another name, so इसीलिए गंगा है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. With black, I am writing the names of the river. सिक्स सेवन एट को तो अच्छे से याद रखना, आपकी क्लास में भी कृष्णा है. Yes, beta. The marking is to be done together. You can do one thing. You can take two maps. On one, we can take five dams. Then, to be clear, we can take 10 of the rest five on the next one. Because dams along with rivers will be there. Salal is built on Chenab, Bhakra Nangal on Satluj, Tehri on Bhagirathi, Rana Pratap on Chambal, then Sardar Sarovar on Narmada, Koina, Tungabhadra, and Nagarjuna on River Krishna, Metur on Kaveri, and Hirakud on Mahanadi. So it has to be, it will go simultaneously.